Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to add Amazon store card on your Amazon account. So here we are now at our Amazon homepage. So the next thing we do is we go to the upper right side of your page and we find account on the drop down menu. And here you can see a lot of Amazon features. So the next is we will go to your payments page. After we go to your payments page, we can see here under your wallet, cards and accounts, then rewards and balances. So here we go to add a payment method. So here we are. We can see here how to add a Amazon store card. Access to exclusive financing offers, no annual fee, zero fraud liability. So here I'll just click learn more. So here we are, we just press the pre-qualify now. And we get a $10 Amazon gift card instantly. So once you qualify for the Amazon store card, Amazon will process your store card. And from there on, you are good to go. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you'll stick to us for more tutorials to come.